Okay, here we have another proof, and it says given line C is parallel to D, as well as angle 1 is congruent to angle 2, we want to prove that line A is parallel to line B. Okay, so let's fill in kind of our gimmies, what they're given to us. First off, we have C is parallel to D, as well as angle 1 is congruent to angle 2. Those are both givens. Given. And then we're trying to prove A is parallel to B. That's going to go on our last statement line. A is parallel to B. All right, now the hard part is the middle part. That's what we're going to try to figure out. Let's look at our picture over here, our diagram. We were given that angle 1 is congruent to angle 2. Congruent to angle 2. We also had, let's see, C was parallel to D. So C and D, and I already have that marked up here. So what does that tell us? That tells us first off that 1 and 3 are going to be congruent because those are corresponding angles. All right, so I'm going to say angle 1 is congruent to angle 3 because of the corresponding angles. Okay, and then we can see that if 1 is congruent to 2 and 1 is also congruent to angle 3, then 2 and 3 are going to be congruent. And you can see that marked with the loops there in the picture as well. But let's formally write it out. We're going to say angle 2 is congruent to angle 3. And we did that by either substitution or the transitive property, either one. I would take both substitution or transitive property. Either one would work there. And that's important because now if 2 is congruent to angle 3, that proves that angle, or that line, excuse me, A is parallel to B based off of the exterior angle converse. Remember, we're given the angles are congruent, we're trying to show that the lines are parallel, we have to use the converse, and those are exterior angles. So I'm going to say exterior angle converse, a little abbreviation there. Should be alternate exterior angle converse. And that will do it. Just proved A is parallel to B.